Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgie here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 26, 2010. Once again, an interesting ride in the markets. Yesterday, it seemed like things opened up lower and rallied back at the close. Today, it seemed like it was absolutely the opposite. We started strong, and we saw things try to pull back near the close today, at least for the stock market. Stock market opened up. We went early on over 100 points higher in the session. We're currently up only 10 points in the session, so things are starting to back off. It seems like guys are buying early and selling late. We're not finding too many new positions being added, but we are seeing quite a bit of volatility around the markets. With the stock market reaction, though, you had the dollar still up today, up about 38 cents, mostly due to the euro down 121 points again. So that is still due to concerns of the European, the Eurozone, as they're calling it, still in shambles or still in concerns of their political aspects. We still have crude oil, though, up $2.45. Things are very strong in crude. A lot of guys are saying, or at least I've gotten a lot today of, hey, is this bottom in the crude? You know, it may not be in just yet. Really, I was hoping we could see us take out February's lows or go above February's lows, which is 71.65. We're currently at 71.20. We did go above that high very briefly. We made a high today for the July contract at 71.70. So until we can see a close above February's lows, I'm not suggesting that a bottom is in yet, and we may have just seen a nice little bounce today that could end up being a selling opportunity when everything's all said and done. But they are still crude is still remaining strong, up about $2.45. So it is giving more of a friendlier tone around the markets to maybe come in and buy something. The market attitude has improved a little bit, and especially in the grains. Yesterday you had corn down, beans were down, so was wheat. Today, the absolute opposite. Corn up 7 1/4 cents, beans up 7, the wheat market up 1 1/4 penny. But here it is Wednesday, and as they're already calling it here, we've got China Wednesdays, and China strikes again. We didn't make any corn sales to China today, but the government did come out and issue an additional 2.88 million tons of import quotas here to private mills. So they are looking for more corn. That talk is still rumor of them coming and buying it, but it does seem China has approved for that. Now this is in addition to the 500,000 tons of quotas that was given already. So this trade is now talking China is issued imports for more than 4 to 5 million tons of corn. So altogether, this could give them anywhere from 7.38 to 8.38 million tons. So this comes out to about 290 to 329 million bushels. So this is pretty impressive, and I think this is going to keep an underlying tone under this market. You may end up dips or buying opportunities at this point, but it still seems like corn is in a range. You get up above 380 in July, it's a selling opportunity, and below 360, it's a buying opportunity. We're in the sideways range at this point. And same thing in the beans, and also the wheat is more of a follower. Rallies in wheat right now. Guys are looking at trying to get that sold still, so we're going to continue to look at that as well. The livestock markets today, we did find a little bit of a recovery after yesterday's losses. We have fat cattle up 77 cents today. Feeders up more than $1. And we had the hogs up about 60 cents, but these are all off of their highs. So we'll see what the reaction is. I think it was because more of your equities were higher today. Your crude oil was higher. You had more of that buying, I guess more ease at coming in and trying to buy things today than what we've had the last few days. When you walk in, you see the stock market down, you see crude oil sharply lower, you see the dollar up. It's very hard to get pumped up to come in and buy anything. So today, we did see that strength. We'll see if we can hold this strength going throughout the week. We need to see this. We need to see this continue here tomorrow and also Friday, if we're going to keep this, keep the bulls fed and keep the upside open. So take a look at that. If you guys have questions, call us 800-262-7538, Our website is allendale-inc.com. A lot of the stuff that we've talked about here today you can read right off of our research product. If you have not taken a look at our advisory service, I strongly encourage that you do. We can get you set up with a free trial. Just give us a call. Once again, the number 800-262-7538. And I encourage you to pass this along to anybody that you might feel would enjoy this. So have a great day. We'll talk to you a little bit later. Have a good rest of the week.